playing to pull down the free alarm. Agagagagagagagag. Agagagagagagag. What a great plan. Now to get out of here.
And just what do you think you're doing, not Cinderella? And why do I hear the fire alarm going off?
I pulled down the free alarm, Miss Natalie.
Oh my gosh. You're in trouble, not Cinderella. Come with me to Principal Chris's office right now.
So is this true, not Cinderella? You pulled down the fire alarm?
Yes. But I only did it for fun.
Not Cinderella. I can't believe you pulled down the fire alarm just for fun. You know what? You're suspended until the last day of school. Go home now.
And I'm calling Cinderella about this. So go wait outside the school until Cinderella comes to pick you up. She will be so mad at you when she hears about this.
Not Cinderella. I'm very mad at you for pulling down the fire alarm at school today. That was a bad thing you did today. You're grounded for 3 weeks. Go to your room now.
Wow.